rôm chẳng lắm ôn này hai các bạn những sẽ liền chăm hai chất tăng áo bằng giờ bật với các bạn này ta dừng rôm đào đó là ạt chiềng and press one by one to make the connection is good it's also good trong được áo nên máu rôm chẳng máu bàn lườn nó là do sự tin tưởng khang này mà chứ some places are not much tensions and also soft cables so we can do like this so it's okay it's very fast okay for the incoming shots so cannot connect like this one the big test okay like I told told you before okay มาป้นต่อตนอนนี่สำหรับยังจบอัพไออัพปรีแบบไอโจอัพปรีหรือก็อัพใบอย่างเช่นยังต่อบานใช่ไหม for the sockets switch box or distribution box okay can do the connections okay so we show you this one the multi cores okay so what distance you want you can choose okay this one for the multi cores ចឹងពួកអាមានសាយនឹងធំចឹង this one for the 4 mm square or 6 mm square can say 4 mm square half okay for my ideas for incoming shots you can separate like this for each core okay ចឹងបងប្អូនវាបបាយវាចេញជា7ខ្សែចឹងណាទៅខ្សែមកកាត់លេខ4នៃឡើងទៅទៅយើងអាចតចឹងមកសម្រាប់ខ្សែប្រភពស្អីណា for the power source cable incoming source okay ទៅបើយើងបានចឹងហើយយើងand put here for each one okay separate okay separate already so we have to one by one okay bộ bài về xâyគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្នាមក okay do like this and after that you move up okay so the distance you see the distance is okay already and after this one insulation and this space okay already so you can press here so you use this one also can press the center this space press the center here okay ចឹងយើងនេះហើយយើងគាត់សកត់ដូចចំកណ្ដាលមកហើយខ្ញុំចង់ចាប់ដើមទាញម្ដងមួយខ្សែតអញ្ចឹង after that you move one by one okay and to that join one by one okay to join you will see this one See this one, okay. The end, so we start next. Sorry, okay, we start this one, okay. Meaning this one finish, so this one start continue, so it's look good. យើងឃើញនឹងចប់ហើយយើងតសរសៃនឹងថែមបន្តទៀតមកបានវាស្អាតចឹងយើងតផ្សេងហ្នឹងវាអត់ស្អាតទេដល់នឹងចប់ដំណឹងអាហ្នឹងទៅតទៀតចឹងYes. ដល់រួចយើងសកត់វា press all it goes makes it properly, okay. Okay. សកត់វានេះចឹងមកហើយយើងចាប់ដើមអារម្មណ៍របស់យើងទៀតរំចឹងហ្នឹងអូននេះយ៉ាងហើយក៏បានហើយយើងខ្ជិលយើងចាំហើយចិត្តទាំងអស់របស់យើងបិទវាក៏បានដែរតែយើងរំបដៅដល់នឹងស្អាតជាងអូខេ and press one by one it makes the connection is good. Okay. So we start this one. So this one strong pulls or more tension, no problem. This joints, okay. And then you take clang make available there. Okay. So it's very strong, okay. So very good. And then hai bóng bò nó tiền make available đấy. Okay, so one more is about this one. The can say the from the 4 square mm. Okay, can use one wire to the wire. No problem. This one show you the soft. Can say like 2.5 down like that. Okay. Down, we do like this one also, okay, but a bit hard, so can do like this. គឺបងប្អូនទាំងគ្នាបើសិនណាខ្សែដែលវាប្រភេទយើងមកកាត់លេខ4ឡើងទៅយើងអាចតប្រភេទនេះហ្នឹងវាស្រួលរំអញ្ចឹងដោយសារធ្លុងវាមួយវារឹងតែបើខ្សែហ្នឹងវាក្រោមមកកាត់លេខ4ទេយើងអាចតប្រភេទនេះវាបានលឿនហើយវាអត់សូវទាញទំនាញខ្លាំងអាចតប្រភេទនេះមកអញ្ចឹង It's not more tension also it's soft. This one like soft wires, so we can do like this. So it's also good. ចំណុចអស់នេះមករំចាំមកបានលឿននោះឡាយើងអត់សូវទាញទំនាញខ្លាំងអីហ្មងអញ្ចឹងណា Some place is not much tensions and also soft cables, so we can do like this. So it's okay, it's very fast. Very fast, okay. the soft cables. So you can do like this one. So no problem also. Much strong also. But this one for the soft cable. For my daily, for screen half, can do this one, okay? The 2.5 or 1.5 or 1 like that. Do this one like very fast. As it's easy, okay? And can do also the very fast. This one spends a long time. Nhưng mà hôm đầu tiên chứ mà sân một cái xài lịch bua này làm tới là học nhạc to phê được trong hai mùa này trên tới tại xài pi cái la mùi cái la rồi còn mùi ấy to này tới dừng rồng ta lươn đại học sơ tầm điên khlang này chẳng những ai to phê này màu chứ not much tension so we can do this one very fast easy màแต่มันนั่งมองโป้หนอคนมองบนหนอนี่แหละบางตัวสนาวิดีโอขยำไปดาวมันหัวดอจับเป็นมองโป้กระทาวิดีโอขยำมีประโยชน์ซึ่งช่วย subscribe YouTube channel ให้มัน follow Facebook page บอกขยำเนี่ยมาพอบาทไทย okay hello sorry okay thanks for watching my video on tip on this for who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page okay please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Okay, see you next video. Okay, ถ้าลงบนออกนี้จูบคุณในวิดีโอกราบ Okay, bye bye.